Hey guys, Tech Mitchell with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to force restart a frozen or stuck iPhone 5C. Now, this is something you want to do if it doesn't work, where you can't touch it, it's not responding to anything, and it's completely safe. It will not delete any of your personal data. So let's show you how that's done. First thing is you're going to locate the top lock or the power button and the home button. We need to press both of the buttons at the same time until the screen goes completely black, and once you see the Apple logo up here, you'll let go both of the buttons. So let's do this. So as you can see here, I'm pressing and holding that top button and the home button until I can get the screen to go completely black, which is good, and I keep on holding it until I see the Apple logo, and at that time you let go of both of the buttons. And all this is doing is shutting down the phone software and reloading the code to fix any software hardware related issue. This method is, again, safe. You won't lose any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps, everything will still be on your iPhone. And you can do it as many times as you need to. Sometimes you may not get the hang of it the first time, so keep on trying. You just want to hold that top button and the home button until the screen goes completely black, which is going to force restart your iPhone, even if you can't get it to respond to your touch, or your screen isn't working, or it's just glitching. Whatever the cases be, you want to give it a try, and it should fix your iPhone 5C. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.